Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and a good deal. Features also include heated seats, third-row seating, power sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2013 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, mirror memory, security system. Come see the car for yourself.